I got to a spot where this was just too overwhelming for any one of us to do. It's not something you could just do on a weekend.
There were days where they gutted it. I'm like, man, we don't have days.
I got to the spot where, I did a lot of online research on what was even out there, what was a possibility, and just kind of seeing the organization and the structure to what Koncept kind of offered is what sort of attracted me to move forward and to reach out and to get more information.
I was skeptical that they could get it done around the amount of time that they promised. I was skeptical that we could hold even moderately close to budget, and they proved me wrong on both of those things. I was skeptical that we could fit all this stuff in here, and clearly we did. We met with Jeff the first day that he kind of came here, scoped out the job, gave us, an estimate and started to explore some of the options. And I think little did we know that the Koncept team was going to descend upon the house. And just nobody ever was sitting here, drinking a beer, picking their nose or wasting time. They were like really on it. And you could just see the sweat equity that everybody was putting into the job. So, it really made us feel like end to end. Koncept and everybody that worked for them was truly invested in the success of this project and this job.
I think it was just such a power team that really bolstered the whole experience. And it just, again, it's just a great end-to-end experience between the owner, the team, the contractors, and of course the end result.